Welcome to Graphite AR Pro. We're going to show you a very simple example of how to use this app to block out the design for a table. Here we are in this room. We have some space here on the floor, and we're going to make a small round table. We're going to start by selecting the circle tool and making sure that snapping is on, so the cursor is pinned to the floor. We're going to draw a circle starting at the center and drawing a radius out by pressing the draw button. We now just move our phone or tablet out to get a circle of decent shape, a few feet across, and we press the draw button one more time to complete the circle. There we go. We have a circle on the floor, which we can now see from a few different angles. Okay, and it's fixed to that point in the floor. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to select the box tool, and we're going to make a column that comes out from the middle of that circle. That circle is going to be the base of the table. So let's go ahead and we'll just hover over top of it here, and we're going to draw a square a few inches across. This tool is a 4-point box. We're going to do first the width, then the length of the base. So I'm just going to draw a line here and another line there and draw it across like that, and we're approximately in the middle there. It's a roughly square base column, and we're just going to lift our phone up, or tablet if you're using a tablet, and that lets us set the height of that column just by moving our phone up and down. Go like that, and we're going to set the column height, let's say about just a little over 1 meter, and press the button one more time to finish our drawing there. Great. Now what we want to do is we want to use this top surface here. You can see how the cursor will move and kind of jump onto that surface there. It's going to snap to the surface. It's very nice. That's what we want. And in order to draw the next circle, what we're going to do to draw the next circle is we're going to use the grid tool, which is here. You can see I just switched it on, and it what that does is it lets us make more precise drawings. The grid follows the cursor. You can see that as we move around. And what I'm going to do is just put the cursor up on the top of this column that we've made. I'm going to find more or less the center here, and we're going to press the pin button to stop the grid from moving. And now you can see the grid is pinned to the top of that column, which is where we want it. And we're going to draw another circle from the midpoint, approximately midpoint here. And we're going to draw, oops, let's try that again. Okay, draw a circle out like this. Let's make it about this big. And then let's draw another box to kind of build out the top here. Go like this. This is going to just be approximate for now. A small lift there, so it's a small base, and I'm going to reset the grid on top of that new base there, like that. So we're going to pin it, and I'm going to draw another circle. This time it's going to be much bigger. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm going to draw I'm going to sort of pull the circle out like this. There we go. It's nice and big, and let's switch off our grid. Let's have a look at our table. We've kind of blocked out a design for a table, which will fit into this room here. There we go. How does that look? And Now we can export that shape, that whole file. We can export it to, say, a wavefront OBJ file, and we can export it to anyone here on our list. We can email it, we can message it. We have a variety of different options for how we can send this out, but basically it's just zipped up a file and that can be sent along. And there you have it.